Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. Arthun Jena, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirmon University, Besa, Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. फ्रेंड्स आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे द 60 वाइटल MCQs फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट. ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स विल डिस्कस दैट द कंडीशन एंड वारंटी एज वेल एज द ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड विथ रिगार्ड टू द अनपेड सेलर. सो आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर द SSB एग्जामिनेशन इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स. फ्रेंड्स, सो आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. So it's the last part of SSB MCQ series. I have already posted the 15 parts and it's the last part for the SSB एग्जाम फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द सेमिस्टर एग्जामिनेशन, मतलब इट्स द UG एंड PG सो फार एज द कॉमर्स, मैनेजमेंट, PML, लॉ सब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, पर्टिकुलर दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द लेक्चरशिप एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल एज द UGC एंड नेट JRF एग्जाम. सो आज का डिस्कशन that's why it's very very vital for the semester examination, मतलब for the fill in the blanks or MCQs or true or false or write one or two sentences. So आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द CA एंड ICWA फाउंडेशन कोर्स के लिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट डिले आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. सो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, if any mismatch or gap you will find during the discussion, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, without wasting our golden time, without wasting our valuable time, let's discuss today's academic मतलब the very very vital 60 MCQs from the Sale of Goods Act. And friends, so during the discussion we will also discuss the important concepts and meaning with regard to Sale of Goods Act. Friends, it's the part 16. I have already posted the 15 parts with regard to the SSB for the subject of commerce as per your prescribed syllabus. So first MCQ, पहला MCQ क्या है? The Sale of Goods Act is whether it's 1930, B it's 1935, C it's 1948, D it's 1956. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the Sale of Goods Act is 1930. So next one हम देखेंगे, a contract of sale may be whether A absolute only, B it's a condition only, C it's a absolute and condition, D it's indemnity. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A contract of sale may be absolute as well as or and condition. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, a condition is that the stipulation for the main purpose of a contract, the breach of a contract or of which gives rise to a right to consider the contract as repudiated, what whether A essential, B it's not essential, C it's a collateral, D it's not collateral. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, a condition is the stipulation for the main purpose of a contract, the breach of which gives rise to a right to consider or treat the contract as stipulated. Let's say that is the A, मतलब essential. So next one MCQ क्या है? Before enactment of Sale of Goods Act, the provisions with regard to sale of goods were contained in which act? In which act? Whether A it's a Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, B it's a Cooperative Society Act 1912, C it's the Indian Companies Act 1856, D it's the Indian Contract Act 1872. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Before enactment of the Sale of Goods Act, the provisions with regard to sale of goods were contained in Indian Contract Act 1972. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे द which section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 define the term goods, whether A section 2 and subsection 6, B it's section 2 7, C it's section 2 8, D it's section 2 9. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 2 and subsection 7 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 define the term goods. So next one हम देखेंगे as per the provision of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 the existing goods are classified as whether A it's the ascertained goods, B it's the unascertained goods, C it's the specified goods, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. As per the provision of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 the existing goods are classified ascertained goods as well as the unascertained goods as well as the specified goods. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the Sale of Goods Act 1930 applies whole India except whether it's the Jammu and Kashmir, B it's Goa, C it's the Arunachal Pradesh, D it's Manipur. No doubt, friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 applies whole India except Jammu and Kashmir. So next one हम देखेंगे the term buyer has been defined under which section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930, whether A section 2 subsection 1, B it's section 2, C it's the section 2, 3, D it's section 2 and subsection 4. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The term buyer has been defined under section 2 and subsection 1 of the Sale of Goods Act. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे contract of sale is a broad term and it includes a sale and a or an dash to sell. क्या होगा whether it's warranty, B it's condition, C it's guarantee, D it's agreement. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The contract of sale is a broad term and it includes a sale and an agreement to sell. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning और ascertained goods are also called क्या है whether it's specific goods, B it's that is the general goods, C it's the auctionable goods, D it's both A and C. No doubt, friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Ascertained goods are also known as or treated as the specified goods. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे unascertained goods are also called क्या है whether it's specific goods कभी भी नहीं होगा, B it's a general goods, C it's the friends, so it's a typing error is there, it's auctionable goods, D it's both A and C. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Unascertained goods are also called or known as क्या है general goods. Friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of ascertained goods as well as unascertained goods. So ascertained goods are those goods which are identified in accordance with the agreement after contract of sale is made. It's the meaning of ascertained goods. The reverse of ascertained goods is it's the unascertained goods. What is this? क्या है? The unascertained goods are those goods which are not specifically identified or ascertained at the time of making of the contract. It's the meaning of unascertained goods. Friends, I am hopeful that now you are clear. So next one हम देखेंगे which section of Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with the condition and a warranty. Whether section 6, B section 8, C it's section 10, D it's section 12. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 12 of the Sales Goods Act 1930 deals with the condition and warranty. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे under the section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 the implied condition is that goods will be correspond with what? Whether A it's a sample only, B it's the description only, C it's both sample and description, D it's either sample or, so typing error is there, so or description. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. अंडर the section of the sale of goods act, the implied condition is that the goods will be correspondence with both sample as well as the description. So next one हम देखेंगे. When a breach of condition is regarded as the breach of warranty, the buyer can, whether A it's reject the goods, B it's the claim the damages, C it's the repudiate the contract, D it's all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. When a breach of condition is regarded as the breach of warranty, the buyer can claim the damages. So B is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of warranty, the buyer can, whether A it's the deny the payment or to pay the price, B it's refuse to take the delivery of goods, C it's the claim damages only, D it's repudiate the agreement. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of warranty, the buyer can claim the damages only. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे. Lucky goes to a dog trader and says that he wants to purchase a good dog. Here the commitment of a trader is regarded as a what? Whether A it's a selling, B it's condition, C it's a warranty, D it's a none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. Lucky goes to a dog trader and says that he wants to purchase a good dog. Here the commitment of a trader is regarded as a warranty. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So here the right of lien exercised by the unpaid seller is to what? Whether A it's a reject the possession, B it's retain the possession, C it's recover the prices, D it's none of above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The right of lien exercised by the unpaid seller is to retain the position. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a right of a lien. So right is what is the lien is the right of an individual who retains the goods and securities in his or her possession which belongs to another until certain legal dates due to the person retaining the goods are satisfied. So it's the meaning of a lien. So next one हम देखेंगे. A contract or a contract ceases to be legal on the breach of a क्या है? Whether A it's a selling, B it's a condition, C it's a warranty, D it's a none of these. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The contract ceases to be legal on the breach of a condition. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे. What are the essential requisites of contract of sale? Whether A it's an offer and delivery of goods, B it's an offer to buy or sell the goods for a specified price and its acceptance, C it's an offer, deliver, acceptance and possession, D it's an offer, price, acceptance and delivery. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब offer, delivery, acceptance, possessions are the essential requisites of a contract of a sale. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे. The collateral stipulation is called or known as क्या है? Whether A it's condition, B it's warranty, C it's expressed, D it's implied. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The collateral stipulation is called warranty. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, a contract of sale shall be made by whether A, it's a implied conduct of the parties, B, it's the word of mouth or in a writing, C, it's partly in writing or partly by word of mouth, D, it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. A contract of sale shall be made by implied conduct of the parties as well as word of mouth or in writing, also partly in writing or partly by word of mouth. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, which section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 has defined the term condition. Condition, whether A, section 12 subsection 2, B, section 12 3, C, section 12 4, D, it's section 12 and subsection 5. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 12 and subsection 2 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 has defined the term condition. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा, और which dash is the standardized mark of jewelry. A, it's whether the 22 carats, B, it's the ISI, C, it's the hallmark, D, it's all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब hallmark is the standardized mark of jewelry. So next one हम देखेंगे, which section of the Sale of Goods Act has incorporated the doctrine of caveat emptor. Whether A, it's the section 10, B, it's the section 12, C, it's section 14, D, it's section 16. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 16 of the Sale of Goods Act has incorporated the doctrine of caveat emptor. So what is the meaning? आइए फ्रेंड्स चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of caveat emptor. So this principle says that the buyer alone is responsible for checking the quality and suitability of goods before purchase is made. So this term, or it is a Latin phrase that translates the let the buyer beware. So it's the meaning of that is the caveat emptor. So next one हम देखेंगे, the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with only the goods which are dash in nature, whether it's movable goods, B, it's the immovable goods, C, it's both A and B, D, it's none of above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals only with the goods which are movable goods by nature or in nature. So next one हम देखेंगे, the property in goods is passed to buyer according to which section of the Sale of Goods Act 1930, whether section 17, B, it's section 18, C, it's a section 19, D, it's a section 20. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The property in goods is passed to buyer according to section 19 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 comes into force on whether it's the 1st January 1930, B, it's the 1st March 1930, C, it's the 1st June 1930, D, it's the 1st July 1930. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 came into force on 1st July 1930. So next one हम देखेंगे, an agreement to sell, the transfer of ownership is क्या होगा, whether A, agreement, B, it's conditional, C, it's the custody of goods, D, it's sample. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. An agreement to sell the transfer of ownership is conditional. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Possession of goods means क्या है, whether A is the custody of goods, B is the sample of goods, C is the selling of goods, D is all the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The possession of goods means custody of goods. So next one हम देखेंगे, which sections of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deal with the performance of a contract, whether A section 30 to 44, B it's section 31 to 44, C it's section 30 to 44, D it's section 33 to 44. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 31 to 44 sections of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deal with the performance of the contract. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Section 31 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with the duties of a seller to क्या होगा, whether show the sample, B it's receive the payment, C it's deliver the goods, D it's none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Section 31 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with the duties of a seller to deliver the goods. So friends, again I am simplifying. So section 31 of the Sale of Goods Act 1931 deals with the duties of both the buyer and a seller. So next one, the contract is completed when both the parties have carried out their क्या होगा, whether it's obligation, B it's payment, C it's condition, D it's none of above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The contract is completed when both the parties have carried out their obligation. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, the fictitious delivery is also regarded as or known as क्या है, whether it's a constructive delivery, B it's the symbolic delivery, C it's both A and B, D it's none of these. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The fictitious delivery is also regarded as a symbolic delivery. So next one हम देखेंगे, unless there is an agreement who bears all the expenses on delivery of goods, whether A it's agent, B it's buyer, C seller, D none of these. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So here, unless there is an agreement or in the absence of agreement, the seller bears all the expenses on delivery of goods. So next one हम देखेंगे, goods may be of क्या है, whether A it's contingent goods, B it's the future goods, C it's the existing goods, D it's all of these. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Goods may be contingent goods as well as the future goods as well as the existing goods. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, which section of the Sale of Goods Act defines the general rules to resell the goods by an unpaid seller, whether A it's section 44, B it's section 45, C it's section 54, D it's section 55. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 54 of Sale of Goods Act defines the general rules to resell the goods by an unpaid seller. So next one हम देखेंगे, the existing goods shall be further divided into whether A it's ascertain goods, B it's the unascertain goods, C it's the specific goods, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The existing goods shall be further divided. क्या क्या होगा, maybe ascertain goods as well as the unascertain goods and also the specific goods. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one में देखेंगे, the vital MCQ, the transfer of limited interest is also known as क्या है, whether it's a mortgage, B it's a sample, C it's a contingent goods, D it's a gift. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Transfer of limited interest is also known as or is known as or called क्या है mortgage. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the essential or what are the essentials of a contract of sale. A its price, B its goods, C its a valid contract, D its all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Price as well as goods as well as a valid contracts are the essentials of a contract of sale. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the goods which are identified and agreed upon at the time of contract of sale, it is known as क्या है, whether it's the future goods, B it's the contingent goods, C it's the specific goods, D it's the all certain goods. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The goods which are identified and agreed upon at the time of a contract of sale, it is known as क्या है, is the specific goods. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे the goods to be produced. The goods to be produced will be manufactured by a seller after making the contract of sale. It is known as क्या है, vital MCQs. Also future goods, B is the certain goods, C is the contingent goods, D is the sample goods. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The goods to be produced will be manufactured by a seller after making the contract of sale and it is called क्या है, future goods. So next one हम देखेंगे a sale is or are dash contract. A it's implied contract, B it's the express contract, C it's the executed contract, D it's the contingent contract. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A sale is an executed contract. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे Sale of Goods Act 1930 deals with क्या है. Friends, we have already also discussed whether sale of goods in general, B it's the cash selling, C it's the credit selling, D it's the hire purchasing selling. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Sale of goods Act 1930 deals with the sale of goods in general. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा है, और डैश इज नॉट ए डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ टाइटल टू गुड्स एज पर द प्रोविजंस ऑफ सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट 1930. A it's the railway receipts, B it's the bill of lading, C it's the bearer check, D it's the dock warrant. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So bearer check is not a document of a title to goods as per the provisions of a sale of goods act 1930. So next one हम देखेंगे section 2 and subsection 1 of the sale of goods act 1930 has defined the buyer as क्या है, person who only agrees to buy the goods, B it's person who buys or agrees to buy the goods, C it's person who buys or agrees to buy the goods and services, D it's person may or may not make agreement to buy the goods. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Section 2 and subsection 1 of Sale of Goods Act 1930 has defined the buyer as क्या है, person who buys or agrees to buy the goods. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे dash means that no one can pass a better title than he himself has. Whether A it's sampling, B it's the description, C it's the Nemo, that Quid, none, Habet, D it's none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Vital MCQ, Nemo, that Quid, none, Habet means that no one can pass a better title than he himself has. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे cost, insurance and freight. So it's a CIF. Friends, so C stands for cost, I stands for insurance, F stands for freight. Contracts are generally contract of sale by which aspects, by considering which aspects, whether it's a delivery, B it's a condition, C it's a warranty, D it's all of these. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, CIF contracts are generally contract of sale by taking into consideration the delivery aspects. और सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे कौन सा है और डैश इज रिलेवेंट टू डिटरमाइन द पासिंग ऑफ अ प्रॉपर्टी इन द केस ऑफ अ सर्टेन गुड्स. ए it's the payment of price, B it's the delivery of goods, C it's the intention of parties, D it's none of these. So friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब delivery of goods is relevant to determine the passing of property in the case of a certain goods. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे what are the rights of unpaid seller against the buyer. A whether A right to sue for the interest, B is the right to sue for the damages, C is the right to sue for the price, D is all the above. So friends, D is the right option for this MCQ. Right to sue for the interest as well as a right to sue for the damages and also right to sue for the price are the rights of unpaid seller against the buyer. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the unpaid sellers right of Lien is क्या है. Whether A is to resell the goods, B is to regain the possession of goods, C is to retain the possession of goods, D is none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the unpaid seller's right of Lien is क्या है to retain the possession of goods. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे when a buyer has paid the price and a seller denies to deliver the goods, the buyer will sue against the seller for क्या है क्या होगा whether it's a delay the delivery of goods, B is the refund the price already paid by the buyer, C is the non-acceptance of goods, D is none of above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. When a buyer has paid the price and a seller denies to deliver the goods, the buyer will sue against the buyer for क्या है delayed the delivery of goods. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे it is the general rule that the buyer of goods must keep his or her eyes open, his or her mind is active, sorry it's a typing error is there, active, and he be cautious at the time of buying of goods. The doctrine is known as क्या है it's the caveat emptor, B is the quid pro quo, C is the nta-ugc non-actual, D is none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ it is the general rule that the buyer of goods must keep his or her eye open, his or her mind active and be cautious at the time of buying the goods. The doctrine is known as क्या है quid pro quo. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the caveat emptor is not applicable in the case of sale by क्या है whether A is a sample, B is a discount, C is a description, D is all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ the caveat emptor is not applicable in the case of sale by description. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे Lucky agrees to sell to Shubham a certain ring provided and he is able to buy it from the present owner. So this is an agreement for selling of which types of goods, whether A is the uncertain goods, B is the contingent goods, C is the future goods, D is the specific goods. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे when a buyer pays a part of the price in advance, it is known as क्या है whether it's the price, it's the advance, C it's the earnest money, C it's the transportation charges. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. When a buyer pays a part of the price in advance, it is called क्या है? इट्स द अर्नेस्ट मनी. सो सी द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. नेक्स्ट वन इंटरेस्टिंग MCQ क्या है? इफ देव हैज 10 dogs and he promises to sell any one dog to Rajaram, in this case it is क्या होगा और कौन सा टाइप का गुड्स होगा? whether A it's the ascertain goods, B it's the unascertain goods, C it's the future goods, D it's the contingent goods. So friends, it's known as क्या है? It's the unascertain goods. So during the discussion, friends, now clear what is the meaning of ascertain goods, what is the meaning of unascertain goods, what is the meaning of future goods, what is the meaning of contingent goods. So next one हम देखेंगे appropriation of goods to the contract shall be made with the consent of किसका? A it's a buyer, B it's a seller, C it's agent, D it's both A and B. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब appropriation of goods to the contract shall be made with the consent of buyer as well as the seller. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे when a person or if a person who has sold the goods but has not been paid for the goods, he is known as. बहुत आसान MCQ है, no doubt friends. So it's C is the right option for this MCQ. Unpaid seller, हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Unpaid seller. So next one हम देखेंगे which is or which are or dash is or dash are the warranty or warranties in the contract of a sale. A it's the warranty as to specific care, B it's the freedom from charge or encumbrance, C it's the quid and peaceful possession, D it's that is the all the above friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Warranty as to specific care as well as freedom from charge or encumbrance as well as the quid and the peaceful possessions are the warranties in contract of a sale. So it's a last but not least also vital MCQ. So it's a which section of sale of goods deals with the right of a return, whether section 46, B section 47, C it's the section 56, D it's the section 57. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Section 47 of Sale of Goods Act deals with the right of lien. So friends, so we have already discussed the vital 60 MCQs from the Sale of Goods Act. So I am hopeful that you have learned a lot, and I am also again I am wishing all the very best, not only for your SSB examination, also the semester exam as well as other related exam. So friends, suppose if you are visiting the first time into my channel, kindly subscribe it. If you like this video lecture, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. I am waiting your valuable comment and suggestion. So मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, सो काइंडली आपका बहुमूल्य कमेंट एंड सजेशन कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिए. अगेन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन इफ एनी मिसमैच और गैप यू विल फाइंड, काइंडली गिव योर अवेलेबल कमेंट एंड सजेशन in the comment section. So once again, thanks a lot to all of you.